To invest and trade with Jax. We're going to go our Cardano ADA. Currently we're sitting at 0.478, down about 6% on the day, sitting at a market cap of 15.86 billion, 24-hour volume 1.76 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So I do believe that this is your wave one, because if we look at the Bitcoin wave count that we've been covering on the channel, it lines up with ADA, where this is your wave one, corrected wave 2, 3, currently going through that wave 4, possibly starting that wave 5. And it's the exact same thing for ADA. So this could be your impulsive wave 1, corrected wave 2. We've had our largest wave 3. We've had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure down. And now we're going through that corrective wave 4, looking for that final wave 5. So we put in a little bit of an ABC right here. ABC. Now, if you see us start to push up here to the top of this triangle, we may be looking to put in an ABCDE, where we've come up and we've made ABCDE, which is a corrective Elliott wave triangle. So if you see us start to push up to this resistance here at about 50 cents, or we push a little bit higher to the 0.382, we get rejected and we start to do a little something like this, I'd be looking at an ABCDE corrective triangle. But if we start to break down, then we simply put in an ABC, and we're looking for that 5-wave structure to complete the larger 5th wave, where we come down something like this: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. That could bring you anywhere down in between about, let me get this price target out. That was just for my trade there. In between about 24 to about 38 cents for ADA for the potential wave 5. So we'll see what happens here. I've been watching Bitcoin to see if we're going to bounce from this level. The shorts have been increasing like crazy, 40% increase today in short positions. So a lot of traders looking to push the price down. So if Bitcoin fails to hold this low and bounce rather quickly, then I do believe your correction is over and you're looking for your 5-wave down to 17K, 18K, as I mentioned in my BTC video. But if BTC bounces here and we put in an irregular ABC, then we may be looking at ADA doing the same, or putting in ABCDE. But if we come up and we break this high, then we may be looking at a larger WXY or an ABC correction. But I do believe this is our wave 4, and usually your wave 4 is going to take you in between the 0.236 and the 0.5, but most of the time it gets rejected in between the 0.236 and the 0.382, and we've already been rejected by the 0.382. I have been scaling into an ADA short position to ride down this final 5th wave. Of course, I'm using a stop loss, but if we do continue to push higher up to the 0.5, I'll continue to scale into the short position, waiting for that final wave 5 down. It depends if we hold this triangle here. If you do see us bounce up to this level of resistance, we could look to do a little ABCDE. But if we do a little something like this, where we hit resistance, we find support, and then we bounce up, then we're looking at a larger ABC or a WXY correction for this wave 4. If we were to come all the way up and break the 0.618, break the 0.786, or even if we come up to these levels of resistance, I'd have to look at a different wave count as an impulsive wave 1 or corrective wave 2. But as of right now, if we fail to break above the 0.5, then it does look like, in my opinion, we're going through that corrective wave 4, looking for that final wave 5 to bring us down to that 24 to 37 cent price target. If we zoom out to the daily time frame, you can see we have support here, these swing lows at about 27-25 cents, which we've been excuse me, covering on the channel. If we were to lose those levels of support, you're looking at about 19 to 22 cents as your next levels of support for ADA. Currently, from the high to the bottom, right now we're down about 85%. If we come down to about 26%, you're looking at a 91% drop. If we came all the way down to about 19 cents, you're looking at about a 93% drop. So anywhere in between 90-95% pullback is pretty typical for an altcoin in a bear market. So as of right now, we're seeing a little bit of bounce here. So we'll see if we come up to this level of resistance, especially if you get rejected, you start to roll again. I would be looking at an ABCDE corrective triangle, seeing that continuation for the wave 5. If we do break out of this triangle to the upside, just watch the 0.5. High likelihood, if we are going through a corrective wave 4, which I think is likely, that we get rejected by the 0.382, which we've currently been rejected from, or the 0.5 coming in at 54 cents. I do have another buy limit as I continue to dollar cost average into my short position here for ADA. I do give signals in the Discord for my exact entries, exits, and take profits here. If ADA comes down and loses this low, then you're looking at impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, 3, 4, 5 to bring you down anywhere in between like 25 to about 37 cents. But what you can do here is take your trend based fib extension from the top of your wave 2 down to your wave 3 up to your corrective wave 4, and your minimal target is the 0.618, which is currently coming in at 38 cents. For the potential wave 5 down. You can also use your fib retracement here from the bottom of wave 3 up to the top of the wave 4. If this is the top of the wave 4, your minimal target you're looking at is the 1.618 at 39 cents. And for an impulsive wave, usually your maximum target's the 2.618 coming in about 32 cents. So we may not come all the way down to 25 cents for that wave 5. That would be quite a large wave 5. We may be looking at a shorter wave 5 here, but it does look like we put in a wave 3, because if we take our measurement, sorry guys, if we take our measurement, our fib retracement from the bottom of wave 1 here all the way up to the top, and we stretch it out, the minimal target is the 1.618 for a wave 3. Let me just make sure this is correct here. The minimal target is the 1.618, and usually you're going to come down to the 2, in between the 2 and the 2.618, and we almost came down to the 2. We almost made it down. We broke the 1.618, so we have met the minimal targets for a wave 3, and I do think we're looking to put in that wave 5 to take you down, probably in between about 30 to about 36 cents. If we were to come all the way down here to about 22 cents, I think that's a bit of a steep correction for the wave 5 in my opinion. Many cases the wave 5 is going to be the same length as the wave 1, so if we take the measurement from the wave 1 to the top of the wave 4, if we straighten it out a little bit here, yeah, you're looking at about 38 cents. So a little bit of confluence that your wave 5 could take you down to 38 cents here for ADA, but I think it would be anywhere in between about 24.25 to about 38 cents in my opinion. So that's it for this one. We are starting to push up a little bit here, so just keep an eye on that. If we push up to that resistance, look for that corrective triangle, and if we break out of it, just watch the 0.5. That's the maximum level that you should get rejected from in a wave 4 correction. If we push any higher to the 0.618, the 0.786, then we'd have to be looking at this as an impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, and that could lead to a much steeper correction for our friend ADA. So that is it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and my trade signals are coming in at the $10 membership for my exact entries, exits, take profits. We also have buy and take profit zones if you're looking to dollar cost average into your altcoin positions. DCA trade strategy, fully explained, very simple method of trading the DCA charts for the live dollar cost average trades on the channel. And you can sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses. And I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.